Maserati has just given the Grecale SUV a substantial upgrade for 2026, and the best part is that the base price hasn't changed. For years, the entry-level Grecale in the United States carried a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, offering between 296 and 325 horsepower. While functional, it didn't quite embody the legendary Maserati performance image. That era is officially over, as Maserati has replaced the four-cylinder with a 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6, the same engine found in the mid-engined MC20 supercar, albeit detuned for SUV duty. This new V6 delivers 385 horsepower in the base Grecale, a substantial jump over the outgoing four-cylinder and more in line with Maserati's performance DNA. The Trofeo version remains in the lineup, with its 523 horsepower output unchanged, catering to those seeking the ultimate high-performance SUV experience. Even with the extra 60 horsepower, Maserati claims the 0 to 60 mph sprint remains at 5.0 seconds. However, the Grecale benefits from a higher top speed, now rated at 160 mph, up 11 mph from the four-cylinder version, showing that the extra power is most noticeable at highway speeds and during spirited driving. The update is significant because Maserati has managed to include the V6 without raising the starting price. The 2026 Grecale now starts at $86,495, including the $1,995 destination and handling fee, which is the same as the 2025 base Modena with the four-cylinder. Maserati has also removed the old base trim, simplifying the lineup, but offering more performance for the same money. Buyers now get a more potent engine without paying a premium, making the 2026 Grecale one of the best value propositions in the luxury SUV segment for performance enthusiasts. Interestingly, Maserati continues to offer the all-electric full-bore version of the Grecale. This model produces 550 horsepower and 605 pound-feet of torque, now with a range of 275 miles thanks to a new all-wheel drive disconnect function. The full-bore is priced at $121,290, maintaining Maserati's commitment to electrification alongside traditional internal combustion engines. The combination of a detuned MC20 V6 in the base Grecale and the full-bore EV creates a diverse range for customers, offering performance and efficiency without compromise. Mechanically, the 3.0-liter V6 is tuned specifically for the Grecale, balancing everyday usability with spirited driving. Maserati hasn't detailed all modifications, but the detuning likely focuses on torque delivery, engine longevity, and emissions compliance. For tuners and performance fans, however, this engine presents a potential playground, as unlocking more of its MC20-derived output could be an exciting aftermarket opportunity. Visually, the 2026 Grecale remains consistent with its current design language, a sleek and sporty SUV that carries Maserati's signature Italian flair. With the new V6, the driving experience now matches the exterior promise, giving owners a more engaging and satisfying ride. For buyers, this is a significant upgrade without compromise on price, highlighting Maserati's dedication to improving performance and value simultaneously. The 2026 Grecale represents a key step in Maserati's evolution, blending classic Italian performance with modern SUV practicality. The combination of a more powerful V6, unchanged pricing, and continued availability of the full-bore EV version ensures the Grecale remains competitive in the luxury SUV market while staying true to Maserati's performance heritage.